At the Champa tree today, we are making something which is very good, not just for kids, but even for adults and elderly. All you need to do is have some milk at home, jaggery powder and nut powder. Let's just tell you exactly how to make it. You need a cup of milk. It could be cold or warm. I'd prefer warm milk because it is boiled properly and safe to have. You need jaggery powder for this. This jaggery powder is 100% organic. What I'm using is Slurp Farm's jaggery powder. I love it, and in fact even my boy Herschel loves it. And nut powder, which can also be made at home easily. This nut powder is again Slurp Farm's 100% organic. This is actually a blend of almonds, cashews, pista, saffron and turmeric. Turmeric, as we all know, is anti-inflammatory and really good for our health. In fact, at this point, when there is this whole weather is changing and there are infections and flu, this Haldi Doodh is absolutely good to have. So let's see how we make it. In fact, it's very easy. It's extremely easy peasy. You need about a teaspoon of jaggery powder. It really depends on your taste. If you prefer more sweet flavored milk, then you can add half a teaspoon more. And some nut powder. Can you see the texture of this nut powder? It also has saffron. I would say that this nut powder you can use as an add-on on anything and everything. I would use about half a teaspoon because you don't need a lot of nut powder. Just mix it well and pour it in your child's favorite cup or whatever mug you prefer. It is so healthy that you're going to bless yourself for having it once daily or probably twice a day.